Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another clothing box to share with you. It's another Natalie Attired box. I know I just recently got one, but I've seen some YouTubers receive some awesome pieces in their Natalie Attired boxes. My last one was pretty good too. So I made a couple specific requests for this box, and so I'm really excited to share this with you because I peeked and I do think I got a couple of those pieces. So I'm gonna get right in. I'm not gonna go through and unbox things with you. I'm sorry if you like that, but I just can't wait to try things on because I've already looked at the box. So I really wanna get to the try on, so that's what we're gonna do. I hope that's okay with you for this box. Let me know if you don't like that and you want me to go through the unboxing, but I'll go through prices and sizes and materials as I try things on. As always, I will list below what I received in this box, and I will leave a link below if you'd like to try Natalie Attired. But this looks like a really promising box, so let's get to it. Okay, so first top, this is by Skye and Skye, and they're calling this the long sleeve thermal leopard print top. It is $42. It's in a size large, and it is 100% poly. The contrast is 100% polyester, so the sleeve's so cute. And then the body of the top is 97% polyester and 3% spandex. I like this top. I think I saw Christy on Georgia Sunshine receive this top, and I thought it looked adorable on her. I don't know how it looks on me. I did throw on a necklace because that's how I would wear this top. So it does have it is a thermal top, and then the stitching is really cute, like the contrast stitching. It's almost like an off-white or cream color. And I just think the balloon leopard sleeves are so cute. I love it. Can I pull this off? What do you think? I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see the stitching and so you can see the detail of the sleeves. I like this top. It's not a normal Kayla top, but I really like it. So here's the cute leopard print sleeves. I love that detail. Don't you? How cute. And then there is a little bit more of the thermal part here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, there's like string hanging down. I might have to exchange it if I hate to cut it because I don't want to ruin it. I'd have to look more into it to see. But you can usually exchange with them. The length is pretty good. Whoops, let me back up so you can see. I do like the length in the front. I have them on, they sent me some black jeans. Wait till you see them. I like them. Here's the back. So the length in the back is good too. It's a good price. It's something unique. It's something I don't have in my wardrobe. So I don't know, this might be a keeper. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna move on to my next top. Maybe this necklace is too much with it, but I don't know, I think I like it. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by Tribal, and this is the off-the-shoulder sleeve top, or off-the-shoulder top. It's $79, it's an extra large, it's 100% polyester. It's very thick, it's very warm. You know I don't like my sweaters this thick, but this is really cute. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be a true off the shoulder or if that's kind of what it's named. So if you have this sweater or if you've tried this sweater, let me know. The neckline doesn't have any stretch to it, so this is as far as it kind of gets pulled down. And I think that might be how it's supposed to look, and maybe just the name is like that. I really do like this sweater. If it was a little bit thinner, I think I would keep it. Like if the material was a little bit thinner, I think it fits me well. It's very comfortable. The sleeve length is great. They're not too long, which I like, and I love the color. I'm gonna come closer so you can see the color. It's a really pretty like heathered gray color. So I really do like that. I just don't know how much I'd pull for it. But if it turns out, oh, and it has like the slits on the side too. I like that. And they're not that big. They're not that deep either. So that's really nice. Here's the back. A little bit longer in the back, which you know I like. Yeah. So if this turns into like a 5 for $5, then maybe, but I don't know, $79 and it's very thick, but this is like a good deep winter top. So like when it's really cold and snowing outside, you know, I may pull for this, but other than that, I don't know. All right, let me change because I'm getting warm. I gotta get into the next top. Hang on one second. Okay, so this next top is by Andre by Unit, and this is the bell sleeve embroidered top. It's $63. It's in an extra large, and it's 100% rayon. I know some of you out there are not a fan of embroidery. I like embroidery. This might be too much embroidery. So I do like the neckline. That's a great neckline for me. I love the colors of the embroidery. I think they're so fun. I can wear them now. This would be perfect to bring into, I think like next year when it gets to be warmer again. I know I'm thinking that far ahead, but this with white capris or white pants would be so pretty. But now with like jeans or black jeans, it would be fun. So I do want you to look at the embroidery because there's a ton of it. There's a lot of detail. The colors are really pretty. I want you to look at the bell sleeves too. How pretty are these? I love all of the detail in the embroidered sleeves too. Just look at that. I love the colors. Love, love, love the colors. This is like a mustard yellow too. I like it. I don't know. Is it too much embroidery? And this is the length. So got some room, good length. I love, look at the bell sleeve. I love a good bell sleeve. I love that look. I just don't know if there's too much embroidery like here in this area. You're gonna have to let me know. Definitely can't wear a necklace with this, but can wear some cute earrings. I don't know. The back is longer. I can't tell. I'm gonna have to watch back and see what you're seeing because I'm just on the fence about this one. Yep, loving the bell sleeve look, but all right, let me change. I've got some cheetah or some animal print to show you. Leopard print, I think it is actually. I'm trying to be good about the difference between cheetah and leopard. This is leopard, so I'll be right back and I will show you that. Okay, this is a Kayla cardigan for sure. This is by She and Skye. This is the long sleeve leopard print cardigan. It's $69. It is a size large. It's 70% polyester and 30% acrylic. I'm in love with this. There's one thing about it that I'm not sure about. You're gonna have to help me with that after, but let's talk about the cardigan. Let me show you the cardigan first. So it's an open cardigan. Doesn't have buttons, which I like. I would hope it doesn't have buckets. So it's just an open front cardigan. It has pockets, which I really, really like when cardigans have pockets. Not that I use them, I just like to have them. And it's a great length, so you know I'm only 5'2", so it's not too long. It doesn't overwhelm me. I love the bigger leopard print too. All of the animal print that I have is the smaller cheetah print, the smaller leopard print. So this is something unique to add to my wardrobe. I know you're probably thinking I have a ton of it, but this is something that will fit and will be a good addition to my closet. The arm length is great. So I paired it with just a black tank and a necklace, and that's how I would wear it. So I could wear it like this to work. I'm just kind of pulling it back so you can kind of see how it would look that way too, because I would wear it kind of like this probably, yeah, to work with some boots, some booties. Let me turn and show you the back. So it's nice, it flows nicely, but you can also, it's just curl up and, you know, yeah. I really like this cardigan, can you tell? So let me tell you why I'm hesitating on this cardigan. Hand wash only. Usually that's not a problem for me because even if clothes are hand wash only, I throw them in the washing machine. I just put it in a gentle cycle, turn it inside out, and I've had no issues, okay? But let me show you. This is very, very fuzzy. Can you see it? Very fuzzy. Am I gonna ruin this cardigan after a couple washes? Do I have to hand wash it? Is it worth it? If you own this cardigan or if you own something like this cardigan, let me know how it works for you and how the care is with this cardigan, because I'm really curious. If it's going to last and hold up after a couple of washes, I'm gonna pay the $69 for it without even thinking about it. But if it doesn't really wash and hold up well, then I might pass. So I don't want to pass. So please tell me how I can care for this cardigan properly so that I can keep this cardigan, because I think it's worth $69 and I'm willing to pay $69 for this. All right, let me turn the camera down. I have a pair of jeans to show you, so hang on one second. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. These are by Liverpool. They are the Abby skinny jeans. They are $79. They are in black. So they are high-waisted. I do like that. They come up to here on me, and I really, really like that fit for me. Kind of holds me in a little bit, so I like that. I know that they're black, so you're not going to be able to see kind of really great how they look, but I like them. They are a little bit big, though. Like, they have a lot of stretch to them, so I think if I kept them, I'd want to size down on them. The length is great. You could see that. They're a little bit long, but that's how I'm short, so kind of expect that, so I can deal with that. I can roll them up. I probably should have changed the top so you could see it better, but I'll pull it up for you. There's the side view. Here's the back. So yeah, these are very comfortable too. I don't know that I need another pair of black jeans, but they're comfortable and I love them. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll be right back. We're gonna do a recap. I'm in trouble. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and this was a great Natalie Attired box. I'm gonna need your help. It's kind of a pricey box. Let me just let you know what the price is. If I kept the whole entire box, it would be, well, it's not too bad, $218.40, because you get 30% off for keeping all 5 items plus your $20 styling fee. So it's not too bad. And I'm okay with paying a little bit more for some of these pieces because some of them are very unique. And yeah, so let's go through it. I'm leaning toward 3 because if you keep 3, you still get 20% off. And I do appreciate that you still get a discount for keeping 3 items. That does help because sometimes you kind of feel pressured, not pressured, but you kind of feel like, yeah, it might be a better deal if I keep all 5. I always spend a little bit more that way, but with Natalie Attired, I like that you get the discount for keeping just 3 or 4. So anyway, let's talk about it. Yep, did I tell you this? I couldn't take this off. I just love this cardigan. So as long as you help me out and let me know how to care for this cardigan and that it'll last through a couple of washes, this is staying with me, even for $69. I know it's a little pricey. It's staying with me. The black jeans, I didn't want to take them off either, but I do think I'd have to exchange them for a smaller size if I were to keep them. So I'm gonna send them an email and see if they have one available because that's gonna come into play too. If they don't, I'd probably send these back. I don't need another pair of black jeans. That's the other thing. The other pair I have, I think they're by Liverpool too. Maybe not, but I'm gonna check and see because if I already have a pair of black jeans that is similar, I don't know. They're just they're so comfortable though. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then the third piece that I'm considering is this fun burgundy top with the leopard print sleeves. I really like that. What do you think? I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch back and see, but it could be very casual, but you can also, like, I could wear this to like on Fridays to work with my black jeans and a necklace for casual Friday. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that one. It's very unique. I don't know about this one. I think this one is going back. Whoops, that's the sleeve, Kayla. Okay, here's the top of it. I don't know. I like it. I'm gonna watch back. I like it. And that's where I stand with it right now. It's just a like. It's not a love because I think it might be too much embroidery. And that's the reason. I like the style of it. I do like a good tunic top. I just don't know if it's too much embroidery, but you let me know what you think. And then the other top that I think I'm gonna send back is, this was the one they were calling off the shoulder, but it wasn't an off the shoulder top. It's kind of just like a big cowl neck top, I would call it. Yeah, I love the color of it. Really pretty gray. It's just very thick. I don't know how much I'd pull for it. I don't know. And what was it, $79? Yeah, $79. All right, I'm gonna have to do some math and see if it's gonna be worth it. What do you think? All right, I need your help with this box. Please let me know. The only thing I'm really, really convinced on, yep, I love the whole box, but this is the one thing that I'm very, very convinced on. So I'm gonna be looking forward to your comments. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me today. Please, please, please help me out. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think of this box. What should I keep? What should I send back? And I know sometimes it takes me a long time to get back to you because of work and things like that, but thank you for your patience. I really do appreciate it. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching, spending some time with me. Have a great day. I will see you all really, really soon in my next video. I've got a lot of fun stuff coming up for you, so stay tuned.